How to delete search history on YouTube application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily delete search history on YouTube application. So first, simply head over to your YouTube application and just click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. So once you click on it, just click on settings at the top right corner, and once you're inside here, scroll all the way down until you see this your data in YouTube option. So as you can see, it's actually inside account section, so you don't have to scroll further all the way down. Just scroll and until you find this option, your data in YouTube. Just click on it and again scroll all the way down, and once you see your manage your YouTube watch history, just skip it and just click on this manage your YouTube search history. Since we are finding about managing our YouTube search history, just click on it, and once you click on it, again you'll see the option called delete, and from over here, once you click on it, you'll see three different category. If you want to delete search history from today, you can click on today, or if you have a custom range from particular date to date, you can click on that. But I will go for delete all time, since I want to delete all time record of my delete search. So just once again click on delete, and your search history will be successfully deleted from your YouTube app. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.